Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing. Now, as some of you probably know, that both myself and Ali volunteer at Chorley Hospital Radio. We are finally going to be starting back after the Beer virus. 3 long years waiting to get back into the studio to do our radio show, which is called The Beehive. Not the Spider's Web, the Beehive in this case. And the other day I was walking through town and I called in at Waterstones and I found a game which, for some strange reason, can't think why, intrigued me in such a way that I just had to buy it. Beehive Macala. So we're opening it today to have a look at what's inside. It takes about 15 minutes to play for ages 6 and up, and it's a 2-player game. So, on the back, what does it say? Direct the bees to the flowers to collect nectar and return it to the hive in this new twist on a traditional Mancala. The player who builds the largest bee colony wins. Learn this simple ancient strategy game and find out about the important work of honeybees while you play. There you go. It's illustrated by Tatiana Boyko. And it's supported by the Royal Botanical Gardens at Kew, which is nice. I hadn't noticed that before. It doesn't actually say who it was designed by. Let's have a look. No. We just said illustrated by. So I can't find anything where it says that it's who the designer of the board game is, but never mind, never mind. Whoever did it, hopefully, has done a good job of combining Mancala with bees. I just hope it's a good game and I haven't been stung. Never mind. Okay, I'll behave myself on this one. Sorry. Right, so we have the tape off the box. Let's lift it up and see what we have. Well, we start off with loads of bee tokens. Double-sided. We have loads of those. We have the instruction book on how to play. So here we are. This is the aim of the game. The basic rules, special rules. Starting the game and ending the game. Then all about honeybees roles, bee-friendly flowers, and more. Features on the flowers that are featured in the game. It tells you about them and how good they are for bees. And then it tells you about bees in the ecosystem. So it is quite an informative game, let alone a fun one if it's anything like, well, it is Mancala. So, yeah. So there we are, that's the instruction book. And next up in the box we have the board. Now it's a big board. I can't fit it all on the table. Not this table anyway. I didn't realise it was that big. But we start off there and move across. We have all the flowers that we saw in the book are these ones here. So that is the actual board. It's a lot bigger than a normal Mancala board. A normal Mancala board I will be able to fit on here, but not with this one. So, yes. Now, the way we can tell which is our scoring area and which is your opponent's scoring area is the way the hole here in the beehive is positioned. This one is our area because the hole is set for us, but if we move across without thing in without editing or anything. It shows that the hole there is upside down, so that's your opponent's scoring area. So now I'm not an expert in Mancala. I've only played it once or twice, and it's been a long time since I've played it. I have watched videos on how to play, and the rough idea is you have your B tiles here, and you just take one and start moving it so many spaces. Or, you know, in fact, you don't take one, you take them all and you move them until you run out. But you don't put them in your opponent's scoring area, but you can put them in your scoring area, I think. And once you've run out of Bs, or once you've run out of tokens, you pick up, if there's any in there, you pick them up and do it again and keep going until you've on the space that doesn't have any tokens. I think. I'm not 100%. As I say, it's a long time since I've played it. But yeah, that is the contents of Beehive Macala. Looking forward to having a game of this. And Monday afternoon, between 1 and 4 o'clock, I will be broadcasting live from the studios at Charlie Hospital Radio. Not just to the hospitals, but worldwide on the internet. So if anybody would like to watch, go over to my Facebook page, and there is a QR code for the studio or for the show, or to the group, or for the Facebook group for the show, and the instructions are there on how to listen live. But yes, that's this game. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm going to be playing a game of this on video at some point with somebody, hopefully very, very soon, because I really do want to play this. So that's it for this video. As I say, I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.